discovered these two new AI video generator tools that will blow your mind. It's not Sora AI that everyone is talking about, but it's equally impressive. These tools use advanced algorithms to synthesize realistic video content based on textual descriptions or prompts. The level of detail and realism they achieve is truly remarkable, opening up a wide range of possibilities for content creation and storytelling. And the best part is that they're completely free. With these two new AI video generative tools, you can create these types of videos. Take a look. So, now I'm excited to talk about our first awesome tool called Hyper AI. It's useful for all you content creators, designers, and AI enthusiasts out there. It's designed to take your videos to the next level, making them more eye-catching and engaging. Just take a look at the videos you're seeing right now. They're all made with Hyper AI. It works wonders with simple text prompts, turning your ideas into stunning visuals. Plus, you can bring your images to life with just a simple drag and drop. Let me walk you through how to use it. First things first, head over to the Hyper AI website. It's totally free to use, which is awesome. Once you're there, click on Try for Free to create an account. Then, you'll have access to a bunch of tools like creating videos with text, animating images, and more. Check out some of the videos people have made using this tool. They're seriously impressive. Just look at the detail and smooth motion. And the best part? You can create similar videos yourself by copying the prompts. To get started, click on the Creation button and select Create Video with Text. Type in your prompt, for example, I am typing, a realistic human girl and robotic boy eating food in the sea beach. And now choose a style for your video. There are options like old film, watercolor, and cyberpunk. Get creative. Then hit Create, and watch the magic happen as your video comes to life. If it doesn't satisfy you, you can regenerate it. You can also try the Image to Video tool. Upload your image, set the duration to 4 seconds, and let Hyper AI work its magic. The results are truly stunning. Just check out the waterfall animation. And the best part? It's all completely free to use, with unlimited regenerations. So go ahead, unleash your creativity with Hyper AI. Now let's talk about the second tool, PixVerse AI, an artificial intelligence video creation platform. Right now, this AI tool is free to use on web applications or Discord servers. With PixVerse AI, you can easily create stunning videos without needing any technical skills. To get started on the web app, just visit the PixVerse AI website and click Get Started, or join our Discord community for an invitation link. You can log in with your Google or Discord account. In the Popular Video tab, you can browse through videos created by other users. Click on any video to view details like the source images and settings used in its creation. You can even download the video or generate a new one based on the same settings by clicking Go Create or Retry. In the My Videos tab, you'll find videos you've generated. You can add your favorite ones to the My Collections tab for easy access. From there, you can also find tutorials on how to use the tool. To start generating a video, simply click the Create button. For generating a video with a text prompt, head to the Text to Video tab. Write your prompt, select a style and aspect ratio. Then choose a seed number for consistency. You can either type a value or randomly pick one. Press Create and wait for the result. And after getting the result, download it. You can generate up to 4 videos concurrently. If you're not satisfied, use Retry or tweak settings and try again. You can even keep all settings and just change the style. To animate an image and create a video, go to the Image to Video tab, upload your image, and choose whether to upload a new one or select from previously uploaded images. Optionally, you can provide a prompt for more control over the animation. Adjust the seed number and motion strength, then click Create and wait for the result. Let's try another sample. Upload your image, leave the prompt empty if you want, and click Create. You can always adjust settings afterward. With the upscale feature, you can enhance your videos to 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, and click Upscale, and after getting the result, download it. Now, I have something to tell you. Many creators are discussing text-to-video or image-to-video generative tools like Sora AI, Hyper AI, PixVerse AI, or Vidu AI. However, a question arises: what will you do if you can create a 4-second or very short-time video? Will it be worthwhile if these tools cannot help you make money? So if you wish to earn money with such tools, you can watch my very first video on the channel. In it, I explain how to make money using short clip videos. All you have to do is replace the tool LeiaPix mentioned in the video with any of the tools I talked about in this video. Click the video on the right side of your screen, and I'll meet you there.